What's going on, guys? So today we're going to do something a little different. We're going to, well, I'll just show you. We got a little box from the boys over at Aftermarket Assassins for a customer's car. So we're going to do a little unboxing, show you guys what's all in there. This is going to be a stage 3 setup. So, as you can probably tell, this is A&A's exhaust. They run a slip-on bolt-on setup. It's a really nice unit. Quiet. Looks a little different than the rest of the systems that are out there right now. Bolts up like factory. You know, it works. Pretty cost effective also, so not stupid expensive like half of the other stuff that's out there. We got something else in here. We got our charge pipe, silicone hoses and clamps. Very nicely boxed. They do a very good job of packing their stuff. I gotta give it to them. Definitely don't skimp out. It's our intake tube, silicone for that. Open this up. So we got our power vision with our custom files. This customer is getting a stage 3 pump gas. Spark plugs that are pre-gap. If you guys aren't aware, when you run higher boost levels, you can get spark blowout. So you'll end up gapping plugs down to solve that issue. These are also different heat range. When you start adding boost and timing, you'll end up running different heat range on plugs and stuff like that. Just keep the motor happy. We got our billet diverter valve. This is our snap ring delete kit and shim kit for the excuse me, for clutching. If anybody is aware of that, I'll go over that a little bit. I've gone over it in another video, so I'll make it brief. Secondaries are notorious for being spaced incorrectly from the factory, and it'll make it hard to get in and out of gear with the car at idle. And so this is the solution to that. It's a very cheap, inexpensive fix, but it makes a world of a difference. Plus, if it's not spaced properly, you get premature belt wear. That turns into a whole other issue as well. So, like I said, this is the snap ring delete kit. They're available on the website. I definitely would take care of that. If you got any questions on this, look a few videos back. We went over that whole thing about why and how to tell if you need this and all that. There's also a link in that old video to that part on Aftermarket Assassin's website. This is the rest of the clutching stuff. We got weights, fingers, and all that for the primary. We got our spray kit for secondary and primary. This is all spec'd by A&A, Aftermarket Assassins, Michael, however you want to say it, or whatever. So with this build on this car, it was a new 4-seat Velocity car. Car's getting some Sandcraft RCR paddles. It's getting Packard wheels. It's getting a bunch of cool stuff. It's just getting a big stereo, extra batteries and stuff. And since it is a 4-seat, running some larger tires, customer likes to just have a fun dune car, take his family out. So we did do a Aftermarket Assassins high load Helix. I run the same one in my car. Absolutely love it. It's been great. I run a 4-seat turbo car in the 85, 30-inch paddles with 14 paddles, and I have had zero issues. The car is a fantastic tuning car. So this is a very, very nice Helix if you want a good all-around car. I race the hill. I run the drags, like I said, and I tune the car a lot. So I love this Helix. And knowing what this customer is going to do with the car, as he's a past customer, I can't put a high performance Helix in his car. I just know he isn't going to be happy with how that car performs. So we went ahead and did a high load Helix. So this is pretty much your stage 3 setup. Like I said, you got all your weights, your clutching, your snap ring delete kit. You got the blow-off valve, spark plugs, DynoJet Power Vision with custom files, as you can see here. Level 3 for us, all spec'd out for us based off of the information I give them for our customer. Again, we got their exhaust here. As per usual, we get some sweet stickers. Intake tube, awesome unit. I don't want to open these up because it's going to a customer, so I can go over that stuff later on. Again, charge pipe, everything you need to install that. These are a pain in the ass to install. I'll be dead honest with you guys right now. They're not fun. Anytime a customer does one of these, I try to do it while we have the car apart, cage off, bed off. It makes it 100 times easier if you try doing this with the cage and bed on. Set some time aside and have some fun. Not going to sugarcoat that one for you guys if you got any issues. And I tell everyone this: if you guys got issues installing this stuff, I just got generic questions, doesn't matter. Send me an email, send me a direct message. I'll do my best to help you guys out and do what I can without me being there. I'm going to go over the exhaust a little bit. It's not something we normally have here, so it is a fully stainless steel exhaust system. It has 2 outlets. You can buy one of their quiet caps on the website, plug one of the ends off, make the system even a little bit quieter. Don't really lose a ton of performance that way either. Budget friendly exhaust system. They sound really good. I'll try to get a video for you guys for one here soon. So I'll give you a quick little rundown on the exhaust here, and then that'll pretty much end our unboxing of a stage 3 kit from Aftermarket Assassins. I don't think we have anything else cool in here. I do think Aftermarket Assassins, I'll refer to him as Michael. You guys may not know who exactly he is, but I'm gonna have to talk to him because I think he forgot my t-shirts again. Freaking guy. Nah, I'm just kidding. It happens. I think it's actually in the next order. So here you go. Nice thick flange here. Also stainless. They have these machined for them. Full stainless into the muffler. Muffler stainless it's in itself. We got 2 exits here. Pretty cool little setup. It's not extremely heavy. It is a little bit on the heavier side than normal. I know it is a packing style muffler. Pretty nice little unit here. Straight through design it looks like. Set up for pretty much mounting in the stock location. You'll have some pinholes here and there. Once you slide this on, like the factory exhaust, you'll put a washer on, and there's a little cotter pin that goes in there. Looks like you use your stock springs down here, which is definitely nice. Keeps this mounted on the car nice, sturdy, no issues. So, anyways, guys, again, this is your everyday aftermarket assassins stage 3 kit. Do all this, and all you got left is to do that turbo upgrade, which we will be doing on our car maybe this season. If not, for sure we're doing it next season. I have a stage 6 set up in my car on E85, and that car rips. I absolutely love that car. Even for stock turbo, that car is a blast. I have no issues. Car runs great, starts great. I have no complaints. I definitely recommend it. If you have E85 anywhere remotely close to you, jump on that. You can also just order a file. All the stuff is getting added to our website. You'll be able to purchase all the Aftermarket Assassin stuff directly from our website through us. But for the meantime, if you need something, like I said, DM me. I can just send you an invoice, or just email, send a message, hit up Aftermarket Assassins in one way or another, and start buying some stuff, because you guys are sleeping on this company. I won't say any names, but they're just as good, if not better, than the other big company everybody goes to out there. So anyways, guys, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any other questions on any of the stuff that we went over and talked about today, again, email me. All the info and link is down below in the description. So thanks, guys.